Today we're going to show you how to make some delicious pork belly stir fry. It's so easy to make, it only takes about 15 minutes, and there are only a couple steps involved, but you can have a very nice meal. First, cut the pork belly into small strips. To season the pork, add half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and mix well. Season it for about 10 minutes while we prepare the vegetables. We're going to use 1 carrot, 2 green bell peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, and half an onion. Chop the onion into small pieces. Cut the green bell pepper in half. Remove the seeds, and then cut it into strips. And add them into a bowl for later use. Peel the carrot, slice it, and then chop some garlic. Preheat a pan at medium heat. Just dump the pork belly into it. We don't need to add oil because it's going to make its own once it heats up. Let it cook for a while and keep stirring. Make sure not to burn it. We can see now there's so much pork grease in the pan. Once the pork belly becomes brown, remove it from the pan. Then we're going to leave the pork grease in a jar. We're going to dump it out later. Just make sure you don't leave it in the sink, otherwise it'll block the drain. We're going to leave some oil for cooking vegetables. Leave the pork belly on a plate for later use. The pork fat actually has some health benefits and is very flavorful. After emptying the pork out of the pan, we're going to fry some garlic. Once you can smell the aroma, add carrots and saute it with the garlic. We are adding the carrot early because it needs more time to cook. About half a minute later, add bell pepper and onion into the pan. To season the vegetables, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, then add the pork belly back into the pan. Mix well with the vegetables. It smells really good. The bell pepper and onion create a truly wonderful smell inside the pan, and it transfers to the pork. Once it is done, we're going to transfer the dish onto a plate. The pork belly is super delicious and a perfect pair with rice. I can eat 2 bowls of rice with it. Voila! Enjoy this flavorful pork belly stir fry. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.